mental work. So we're going to begin with mental work. So there are 5 numbers and I don't always repeat them. So you have to listen to my question, then only write the answer. Then only write the answer, class. So therefore, I take the opportunity to welcome everybody. I told you earlier that this lesson or this class today is being brought to you by a group of some partners came together and they said we should have our classes going on. That's why we are here. So let's have our book ready. I'm going to read my 5 questions. I'm going to read my 5 questions. Then after my 5 questions, only you write the answer. You only write the answer. Okay. In case I ask the question, you can't put up the hand because we have very many in class. I request you, if you are unable to type in the chat, you can ask daddy or mommy to type the answer in the chat.
I'll write today.
Sorry?
Are we going to write now?
Yes, we're going to write our mental work. There are 5 questions. I read the questions, you give me the answers. Are we together? So have our books ready. Okay, let's have our books ready. I've told you my name is Teacher Didas and I'm going to teach P2. So before that, we shall first write our work. Today is Tuesday, 27th July, 2021. So don't panic writing. We shall get time and write. Are together? We are only going to write the mental work together. So as I talk of today, being there, I will ask someone to first read for us these letters. So the letters, it is letter C, but it is sound k, 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 k. So let me give a chance to, I'm seeing here, is it Bracing Asnat? Bracing Asnat, are you there? Bracing Asnat. I see some people already putting up their hands. I don't know what they are telling us. My friend Tony is also there. Tony, can you hear me? Tony? Hello? Okay, let's go. So, class, I wanted someone here. Kayla, are you listening? Can you hear me? Kayla, can you listen to me? Can you hear me, Kayla? Okay, so class, as I'm waiting my admin to connect me, let me take you through to mental work. With mental work, I'm going to read the questions. I'm going to read the question. I'm going to read the questions. I'm going to read the questions, and you give me I'm going to read the question and give me the answer. Only write the answer in your book. Number 1 is 2 plus 3 equals good class. I know now we have finished. Number 2. Number 2 number two, number two, number two. Okay, number two, number two, number two. Class, are we there? Yes, we are on number two. Number two, number two, number two. Okay, so let's go. Number two, how many legs? How many legs do you have? How many legs do you have? Good. How many legs do you have? I see people here are failing. No, don't put the answers now. I see Obed is already sending us the answer. Please first write in your book during the time for correction, then you will send us the answers. Thank you, Agaba, thank you, but keep the answers. First write, it is a mental work. We write in the book. After writing in the book, during time for correction, then you will send me the answers. Thank you. Number three. 6 minus 4 equals 6 minus 4 equals. I already told you, as we are in class right now, let's have our parents get for us some counters, at least 15 counters. Let them be ready. 15 to 20 counters. Number three is 6 minus 4 equals. I need my answer there. I need my answer there. I need my answer there. Okay. Okay. Then we have got number 4 is 2 times 3 equals. Number 4, 2 times 3 equals. 2 times 3 equals. 3 times 3 times 2 times 3 equals. Sorry, that's the question. Okay. Okay, class, I know you are ready now. How many, the last one, how many legs do 2 cows have all together? How many legs? How many legs? How many legs? How many legs? How many legs do 2 cows have? How many legs? How many legs do 2 cows have altogether? So class, I welcome you in my class. Okay, class. I need someone here. Nachaze Maria. Nachaze Maria. Can you unmute yourself? Nachaze Maria, are you there? Nachaze Maria, can you hear? Nachaze Maria, are you there? Okay, Nachaze, can you hear me? Nachaze, please. Okay, seems we can't hear from Nachaze. Okay, so Kiras, class. Okay, it seems we have okay. I can get it now. So class, I'm going to request you to send the answers. I'm going to read the answers. Who can send me for me the answer for number 1? Send the answers for number 1. Write the answers in the chat. Number 1, Tony is saying 5. Maron is saying 5. Good. Kinchiza Rihanna 5. Agava 5. Joy Kimigisha 5. Daniela Ashley 5. Fidel Agnes Prince Gabriel 5. Aaron Asimwe 5. Nabuma. Okay. Thank you very much. You are a wonderful class. Good. Melissa Edward, they are all saying 5. Samantha, Samantha is also saying 5. Frank Tumwesigye 5. Christian 5. Good. So all of you, you have gotten number 5. Someone is saying 4. No. Mikaela 4. No. Number 4, 6. Okay, let's go to number 2. We have number 2. Can you send me the answers for number 2? Fidel is saying 2 legs. Good. 2. Lydia, Ashley 2 legs. Christian 2. Hitabanji, Nahawe, Keith is also saying 2. Okay. Kalunji, okay, good. 2. Shiba, Daniel, Elon, Kayla Chilavo, 2. Okay, we have 2 legs. Evans, good class. Class, can we go on? Number 3, the question was 6 minus 4. What was the answer? I see the answer already coming in. Chiza Roma is saying 2. Joyton is saying 3. No. Samantha, I'm seeing Kemigisha, Christian, Ashley, okay, good. My kids, keep those answers coming in. Your number 4, sorry, your number 3, 6 minus 4. What was the answer for 6 number 4? Some people are still answering number 2. They are saying 2 legs. It is okay. The answer, Fidel, your number 3, the answer was 2. Marvin Rina, Obed Freeman, thank you. So class, let's go to number 4. Number 4 was 2 times 3. Namuri shares. Yes, number Kechiza, Nahawe, Aaron, Agnes, Kayla, Christian, Joy, Toko, Chiza, yeah, Namugere, yeah, okay, Obed, okay, Musimenta, Joy, Tony, and others, okay. Christian, I see very many people give me the answers. People come, keep the answers coming in. Keep the answers coming in, please. Keep the answers coming in. Christian is saying 6. I have very many in class, but I see very few answers coming in. I see, okay. Kalunji 6. Keep the answers. I remember was Celine, Asia 6. Okay, class. We still have 1 minute to go. We have some, the last question. The last question. Shiba 6 legs. Prince Gabriel 8. Christian 8. Mary Mboa 8. And teacher, the answer is 6. I see Evans, Christine Natavi, Namugerwa Patricia. Okay, Marvin, Nantege. Oh my God, I have a wonderful class. Kalunji, Fidel, Denzo. Keep the answers. Chiza, I see Chiza is saying 8. How many legs do 2 cows have? 6. Wendy Namaganda. Which number is that? 8 legs. Good. That's Joy Tone. Joy Tone is saying 8 legs. Can you keep the answers, please, coming in? I love what I'm seeing here. Oh my God. Oh, okay. I see people here. Okay. Isaiah Leslie is saying 8. Okay. So class, you will allow me and we go to the next Heritage 8, Edward Senyonjo 8. So class, if you got a 5 out of 5, you passed all of them, you're going to put for me high five. Send for me high five. I know if you got 8 out of 8. If you got 8 out of 8, send for me some high fives. I want to see them coming in. If you got 5 out of 5, if you passed everything, send me high five. Go down in the reactions and look for a high five, and then look for it's called a thumbs up. Yeah, good. Kyla got all of them. Yeah, even Hitachi got all of them. Send the fives, send the thumbs up coming. Good. Good. I see them coming. Those ones who got 5 out of 5, I have a gift for you. I have a gift, Samantha. Good. Okay. So class, let's go back here. We are done with that. Let's come here. Some people got 5 out of 5. Thank you very much. Someone is already writing in my work, and those are bad manners. Please. Someone is writing in my work. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, class, you will allow me take you through. Let me hope all of you are seeing what is on the screen. It's there. I'm going to read. We are going to read together, class. We are going to read together. So in this one, since we are learning P2, I can't go without teaching you something here. I'm going to teach you something here, and let all of us be steady. So I have this word. The word is Kate. I sing it. Read that word or that name as Kate. Why is it called Kate? We have got the sound R. Then in the middle we have got a space, and there is another sound A. These two sounds are called, we sound them as A. It is sound A. That's why we are going to read this word as Kate. We are going to read this word as cake. I sing it, cake. And I'm going to read this word as came, because it is sound A. If I write here, this is the word lame. So I sing it, the sound remains there, so we read it as lame. So all of us together, we are going to read through these words. The first one is Kate. Now read from there where you are. You can hear everybody. This is it. Kate, cake, cut, then class. Then here we can read and say, Kate came to class with a cake. Kate came to class with a cake. So they are meant, these sounds or these words or these sentences are meant to make us read the more, make we practice more of reading, because our class is mainly reading and writing. Let's go. My name is, you're going to put your name there. Okay, my name is, you put your name there. Then I'm in primary 2 and the subject is math. My teacher is Teacher Didas. As I told you earlier, that my name is Teacher Didas. Okay, let me hope everybody is clearly seeing what is on the board. So class, you will allow me take you to next Next work we are supposed to look at. Already we finished our mental work. So for today, we are supposed to add. We are supposed to add. We are supposed to add liters, because remember we are dealing with capacity. We are dealing with capacity in our first lesson that we had together, and we said capacity. When we talk about capacity, we are talking about anything a liquid container can hold. If a 10-liter gill can hold 10 liters of water or cooking oil, that's we call it say capacity. And we say the capacity is measured in liters. Now, last time we went ahead and looked at sharing. We looked at adding, but when we are adding without regrouping, but this time we are adding with regrouping. What does it mean? Last time, to give an example, we are adding something like this. Let's say I have 2 and 3 plus 1 and 4. So last time we could add these ones together. After adding them, we get the answers. As we could get the answers, we could not mind of what is next, because we could add here. We said we could put here 1, 2, 3. That's why I said you should have our counters together. Then we could put here 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we could add them together here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we could come here and put our answer as 7. You see, there is no regrouping. What we get here as the answer is what we put here. Are we together, class? But now we could also go here. We put our 2 counters. This is 1 and this is 2. Here we put our 1 counter. Then we add them together. This 1, 2, and 3. And we could put here what? We could put here 3, like that. That's why I said last time we learned without regrouping. But of today, we are going to learn when we are regrouping. So that's why I'm saying we should have, that's why I'm saying we should have our counters ready with us. So class, allow me to, let me first remove this one here. Let me first remove this one here. I see people raising up the hand, but we are going to first work together. The first example, because I need you to listen attentively. I will give everybody a chance to say something. Class, are we ready? Now,
Yes.
here. Okay, good, class. Now, let's put down the hands. Maybe if you are telling me something, but I see the hands, they are very many, almost all of us. So I'm going to put our hands down. We are going to put our hands down. So as we put our hands down, we shall be in position. Okay, we shall be in position to know what's going on. Now, class, when we are adding, but this adding, it is involving regrouping. It is clearly telling us that we shall add, but after adding, the number we are going to get is going to exceed, is going to be between 10 and more. So once we get 10 and more, we regroup. We shall write one number and remain with another one. Are we together, class? So therefore, for that case, when we add the number and the number exceeds 10, we regroup, or we can say we carry. We write one number and we carry another one. We write the one in ones, then we take the ones which is in tens to another number, to another to TC place value. Suppose here, the first one in this line is the ones, then this one are the tens. Now, when we are adding them, let me even write it here. This one is in ones, this one is in tens. Suppose we add them together and we get a number like 14 or 14. So when you get 14, this one will be in ones, this one will be in tens. So we write this one which is in ones under ones and write the one of tens. We carry it to the tens or we transfer it to the tens. That's why we say we are going to regroup class. So let me hope we are getting me to get okay as we begin. So now class, when you look at what I have here, I have got 46 liters. They are being added to 27 liters. Altogether, that's what I have. I have 46 liters. They are being added on to 27 liters. But we are going to first add those ones which are in ones. Okay. Good. Now, learners, let's go on together. Christine, are you there? Christine, can you hear me? Christine, please. Hello, Christine, can you hear me, please? Oh, Christine, okay. Let me hear from Agaba Lois. Agaba, are you there? Agaba Lois?
Yes.
Am I talking to Lois?
Yes.
Okay, Lois, we are going to count together here. How many balls are we going to do here? Let's do balls, or let's do circles, let's do beads. How many are we going to add here? How many are supposed to draw here?
6.
There are 6. Can we draw together as you are counting? This is
6.
1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6,
and 6. Good. How many are we drawing here?
7.
7. Can we count together?
1, 2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
7.
I add another one, isn't it? What is we say no.
No.
Okay, I take out this one. Okay, Agaba, thank you. Let me give another chance to thank you very much. Let me give a chance. Diana, are you there? Hello, Diane. Unmute yourself.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so Diane, we are going to add it together. Are we together? Diane, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, we are going to add together. Remember, we added all of these ones when you are listening to Agaba. Now, we are going to add all of them together and we shall see which answer we shall get. Let's go. The first one is? You are the one counting. Count louder so that everybody can hear you. Are we together?
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Let's go.
7,
Uh-huh.
7, 8,
Uh-huh.
9,
Yes.
10.
Let's
11,
go.
12, 13.
13. Good. So, class, thank you, Diane, for the wonderful work. I see very many people raising up the hand, but I'll give you a chance. Now, we have got 13 as the answer, but we cannot write 13 here because the number 13 that we shall get, or that we have got, the number 13 that we have gotten here as our answer, this 13 has two numbers whereby one is in ones, another one is in tens. Place value is this. Now, what do we do? What do we do, class? Shall we write 13 here as our answer and we go? Because we have gotten 13, but we are saying we have one is in ones, another one in tens. So can I have you here to tell me what should we do? I see people putting up the hands. Okay, okay. Someone is saying you cannot hear me. Please increase your volume. Okay. Okay, Gabriela, are you there? Gabriela? Seems we can't hear from Gabriela. Let's give a chance to another person. Gabriela, can you hear me? Can you listen to me? Can you hear me? Oh, there is someone here. There is someone here. Jelly, can you hear me? Jelly, please. Good, Jelly is there. Jelly, what do I do here? Because we have got the answer as 13. Tell us, what do we do, Jelly?
We are going
Yes,
to do.
Jerry?
We are going to do balls.
You are going to do balls?
Yes.
But already we have our balls. We have got 13 as the answer. We are asking, where shall we write this 13? How do we write 13? Yes, Jerry? Okay.
1 and 3.
Okay. Write 1 and 3. Thank you. Let me hear from Ian. Ian, are you there?
Hello.
Ian, are you there? Ian, are you there? Ian, can you hear me? Oh my God. It seems we have a problem here. Let me see if I can. Okay. Okay. I have over very many people raising up your hand. Let me. Namuri Shiba, are you there? Namuri?
Yes.
Okay, good, Namuri. What
Yes,
are we supposed to do here?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, tell me. What are we supposed to do? We have gotten 13 as our answer. What do we do now? Shiba, can you hear me? See, Shiba is off. Okay, class. Now, when we get 13, or when we get the,
Right.
yes, yes, Shiba.
3 and carry 1.
Can you
Carry
repeat your
1.
answer, Shiba? Can you answer? Can you repeat your answer,
That's why you
please?
speak so much.
Yes, Shiba. Oh, it seems we have lost her. Sorry. Joanne, are you there? Joanne? Oh, it seems Joanne. There is someone called Dokolia. Dokolia, are you there? Dokolia, are you there?
Joan, Joan. Amma, kasigala ya saluri. Tujikala ni Zoom meeting you.
Oh, it seems. Yes. Tell me your name and tell us what are we supposed to do, please.
say down here because you wrote in group.
Yes, please.
My name is Dylan. My name is
Okay.
Dylan.
Oh, it seems they are not okay. So let me go, class. Okay, let me take you through here. So when we get 13 as our answer here, we are going only to write this 3 because the 3 belongs to the ones. Because the 3, we are going to write this 3 because the 3 belongs to ones. We are going to write the 3 because the 3 belongs to ones. We're going to write this 3 under the ones here. Then we shall write the ones, we shall carry, that's why you call it regrouping. We shall carry this 1 to the side of the tens because it belongs to the tens class. Okay, so okay. So we have gotten 13 as our answer, and so we are only going to write, we have gotten 13 as our answer. As I've told you, this one is in ones, this one is in tens. So we shall write the ones of ones under ones, and we shall write the one of tens under tens. Therefore, here we're going to write there 3 as our answer. Here will be 3 as our answer. Then after writing 3 as our answer, we are going to carry or regroup, and we take the 1 here. So once we take the 1 here, it means that okay. Let me see if I can. Okay, class. Okay, we are going to write the ones here, and we shall take, remember we had our 13, so we shall take our 1 here. After putting our 1 here, it means, remember here we had 13 after adding. So we wrote this 3 under here. So now we have this 1 brought here, which means already I have 5, or already I have 1 ball for 1. Then here I'm going to put 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then here I will have 2. 1 and 2. Then I'm going to add all of them together. So I will begin from here. Let me see someone who can give us the answer. Let me see if someone can give us the answer here, class. Okay, there is someone here. Is called rename yourself. Can you hear me? Nachaze Maria, are you there? People are saying 7, 7, 7. Good. Nachaze Maria, are you there?
Yes.
Can we add together our balls? The first one, let's add together. This is it.
1.
Plus another one. That is it. Maria, can we add together, please?
Yes.
The first one was 1. Can we add another one? What do we get?
Yes.
Let's count. 1. Then this one is now 2. Can we go on?
3.
Plus another one.
4.
Plus another one.
5.
5 plus another one.
6.
Plus another one. Maria, is there? Okay, plus another one. So Maria was on 6 plus 1 more. So the answer becomes 7. So we shall write 7 as our answer, class. We shall write 7 as our answer, class. Are we together? So when we write 7 as our answer, so we shall come here and write there 7. So therefore 7 is our answer, class. Are we together? So have we added together? Have we seen how regrouping goes? Regrouping is like that one. So we shall go ahead and write here our word litres. It should also be there. So therefore, class, when you add, you come up with that answer as that one. So have we seen how regrouping? It is not very difficult. We're going to work the second example together. Then the next one, we shall get someone to work it for us there from home. You tell us, I'm going to draw here these balls. So class, let's go to our example number 2. Let me hope you can hear me very well, all of you. Okay, so class, this is our example number 2. Add 65 liters plus 17 liters. It's like that. What do we do? Now, when we find, I don't want you to say, my teacher didn't help me here. Here someone is talking. Someone is talking here. Please mute yourself. Okay, so when you find a number like this one, when it's like that, don't fear. You say for us, teacher gave us when we are adding vertically. Yes, we're supposed to add vertically, but now we can add. Now we can first organize our number given. So the number which is here is there. So we can write 6 here. Then we write 5 here. Then we put our word liters. Then we add more. We're going to add there 17. Are you seeing how I'm organizing it, class? The way it is supposed to be. This is how I'm organizing it. Then you write it like this. Why are we organizing it like that? I will tell you then after you put my line, because I'm going to add. Now you see, class, we have it like the way it was last time. Now we want to add it together. We are going to add together. Class, let's go. Now, when we are here, why did I arrange it like that? I arranged it like that simply because I wanted it to be okay. Now, here on our number, this is in ones, this one is in tens. I think this one is in ones, this one is in tens. So when you come here, this one is in ones, this one is in tens. Are you together? So you put the ones together. The ones, it is 5. The ones, it is 7. The ones in tens are 6 and 1. That's why I've organized it like that. I see Josephine. Josephine, we are going to write our balls together. Josephine, can you hear me? Hello, Josephine. Okay. Josephine, can you hear me? Oh, Josephine is not unmuting herself. Josephine, please unmute yourself and talk to me. Okay. Josephine, can you hear? Josephine, are you there? Oh, Josephine is not here from Josephine. From Josephine, let me have Mulindwa. Mulindwa God. Is Mulindwa who? I don't know. Mulindwa, can you talk to me, Mulindwa, please? Mulindwa, are you there? Oh, it seems there is a harm. Yes, please. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, we are going to draw the balls together here. The first one, how many am I supposed to draw here where my pen is, or my pencil, or my chalk? or my color is. We're supposed to first draw 5. Are together? Are you there, Mulindwa?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's draw together as you are counting. This is
1,
good. This is
2, 3,
this is
4,
and this one.
5.
How many am I supposed to draw down here? Yes, Mulindwa, are you there? I'm supposed to draw 7 here. Let's count together. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6,
Yes.
7.
And 7. Good. Let me give a chance to Brea and Celine. Celine and Brea, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. We are going to count together. We are counting. We are adding 5 and 7. What do we get? Let's go. For me, I'm not going to say anything. Make sure you speak louder for all of people to hear.
1, 2,
Yes.
4,
5.
8, 9,
Ooh.
10, 13,
Is it 13?
12,
Let's count together. The first one is 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yes.
12.
12. Good. So we have gotten, or we have got our answer as 12. So 12 is our answer, and that's my 2. So what do? We have got this one. The number we have gotten has got 2 place values. One is in ones, and another one is in tens. For that case, therefore, we shall write the one of ones. We're going to write it under ones. And we shall carry this one of tens to the group of tens. Therefore, I will first carry this one. Let this one first come and find the friends here. These are the friends of tens. So you should be here. Then I'm remaining with only 2. Now, what do? I will come here and I write my 2. I will come here and write my 2. These 2 must be written under the ones. Are you seeing it, class? It is under the ones. Now, meaning that in the side of tens, I already have the 1 I carried. I have the 6 and I have another 1. And those are the balls I'm going to draw. Those are the balls I'm going to draw. This side, I have already this 1. It is there. Then I draw more 6. How we can count together at home. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then I have another 1 here. So we are going to add all of them together and we get one answer. Let me give a chance to my dear friend here, Jeva, Eve. Eve, are you there? Eve?
Say yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Eve, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Let's count together, Eve. we are going to add this one of 1, this one of 6, and this one of 1, and we get answers. But however, I can have my friends, can you send the answers coming in? Can you send the answers in the chats? I will read them. Atwine Naomi said 12. I see the answers coming in for this one. Eve, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go, Eve. We are counting from. I will not say anything. Speak up for all the members to listen. Let's go. Eve, the first one.
1,
Good.
2,
Good.
3,
Good.
4,
Good.
5,
Good.
6,
Good.
7,
Good. And
8.
so the answer is
8.
good girl. Let me give you some flowers. Okay, so Eve has said the answer here is 8. And yes, the answer is 8. So here we have gotten 8 as the answer. So since 8 is only 8, so we shall write our answer as 8. So I will come here and put my answer as 8. You see, now that's the answer we have gotten from our addition class. Are you seeing? We have the answer is there. The answer is 8. So are you seeing my answer? The answer is there. The answer is there, and it is 8. So therefore, I can say we have the answer together as 8. Good. So class, this is the answer we have got now. So you go on and write the word liters there, because we are adding in liters. We are adding in liters. Good. So class, that's how we do it. Now with regrouping, that's how we do it. I see Chiza 8, Rumega, Leshem 8, others. Now, this is my example 3. From writing the example 3, what will be next is example 4, but I will not write example 4. It will be for someone. But we have seen more of 6. Let me change it. Let this one be 5, and this one also be 5. Good. So class, we have got our, we are here, we are here. Can I get someone who shall draw? Josiah, are you there? Josiah Muevas, are you there? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we are going to draw together our counters, our balls, our beads. You can call them what we draw. So how many are we going to draw here? Tell me, how many are we going to draw here?
5.
5. Can we draw? The first one.
1,
Good.
2,
2.
3,
3.
4,
4. And
5.
5. A good boy. Then here, how many are we drawing?
5.
Okay, let's go.
1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And 5. Good. So remember, we have these 5s is under 1s, and this 3 is under 10s. Why are they not there? Sometimes you don't put them together there, but you are the one to put them there. You show the teacher, I know this one is under 1s, this one is under 10s. Good. Let me pick someone. Gertrude, are you there? Gertrude, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Gertrude is there and she can hear me very well. Gertrude, we are going to count together. What do we have here? For me, I'm not going to say anything. Speak louder for everybody here. Can we count together? The first one?
1,
Speak
Two,
loud. Two,
uh-huh.
3,
Good,
4,
good.
5,
5, good.
6,
Uh-huh.
7,
Uh-huh. Yes.
8,
Uh-huh.
9,
Yes.
10.
10. Good girl. So the answer is 10. So once you get the 10 as the answer, since they are 2, you have to know that I've gotten 10 as the answer. So since they are 2, 10 as the answer, we said here, I have the 10 as the answer. I have the 10 as the answer. So this one is under ones. This one is under tens. So therefore, what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to write this one here under ones, and we are supposed to carry this one here under tens. We regroup and take it to tens. So we shall write here the one that has come from the other side. So this side I have already, the first one is 1. I have another one, it is 1, 2, and 3. Then here I have another one, which is 1 and 2. Are you seeing, class? So remember, okay, let me first write the answer here. The answer we have here is, we have our answer. Oh, sorry. It is running very fast. Okay, so class, let me first write our answer here. Our answer here was 0. So we shall write here 0. After writing 0 or 0, then we go on. Okay, good. 0 as our answer. And the teacher said, after writing, now we are going to the next side. And the next side, we are going to count together. Whom shall I pick? I see Ezra. Ezra, are you there? Ezra?
Yes.
Yes, they say yes, teacher. Ezra, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Good. So Ezra, since we're here, we are going to count together and we add my Ezra. We are beginning with this one here, which is the 1. Ezra, can we go?
1,
Good. Speak up.
2,
2. Good.
3,
Good.
4,
Good.
7, 5.
Oh my God. 5. Good.
6.
Okay. So the answer is what, Ezra?
6.
The answer is 6. You are a wonderful boy. So therefore, class, we shall write our answer here as 6. We shall write our answer here as 6. So 6 is our answer. Are you seeing?
Jukira tewataddeyo eno 1 kati ye kakoze eno.
Okay, good. So we are here. Sorry about that one. Mommy Ezra is very busy teaching. Ezra, thank you. So we are here, class, and we shall end here. So that's what we do with grouping and regrouping. So class, I see very many people raising up the hand. I want you to work out our last example. It is there. Write it. Put your answer in the chats. I see it. Daniel has said has passed. Thank you. I need someone to answer for us. Write that one and give me the answer finally. Remember what you're supposed to do. You first put You tell the teacher this one is tens, this one is tens, then this one is ones. Then after you go and add. What do you get after adding? You go and add it down there and you get me the answers. You see, some people are putting up the answers already. Someone is saying 50, another one is saying 60. You see, Christian is saying 50. Kirunji Ranya is saying 60. Send the answers, please. I'm waiting for my answers as we end our lesson. We have at least 1 minute to end the lesson. Isaiah 50. Good, Isaiah. The answer. Rihanna Mariam is saying 50. Good class. 50 liters. Asedribo. Good. You're a good boy. Fidel 50. Good. Daniel, I've passed all the questions, teacher. Thank you. Atwini Naomi 50, Alona Simwe 50, Alubega 50 liters. Good class. You are a wonderful class. Prince Gabriel 50, Merimbo, my friend 50, Hitavanji 60. No, Hitavanji add again. It is not 60, please. Bracing Asnat. Oh, Joyton is saying 100. Oh my God, Tony. No. Agnes Fifite, Munamubiri, Namuli Sheba, and everybody. So class, we have come. Christian is saying 50. Thank you very, very much. So class, you allow me, we have come to the end of our lesson today. Then I have my activity is here. As you can see it, I will request you to write this activity in your free time and you send the work to the teacher. Activity, I think you are seeing it there. It is there. Number 1 is there. It needs you to organize it. Then this one, Daniel is saying 50. Thank you, Damali. Maria Olikiriza 50. Good. So class, that's the activity we have organized. It is there. And I've got another one. It is there. There are 5 numbers. So we shall put our work in Google Classrooms. You'll go there and write. If you have not registered, I will ask my admin to paste the link here so that they can register. Are we there? So my admin, you can post the link for registration to Google Classrooms so that people can register and join. Thank you. So we shall put the work in Google Classrooms. Then you will go to that Google Classrooms, pick the activity, answer it, and send it back to the teacher for marking. Someone is putting the work. Yes, we shall put the work there. Don't worry, we shall put the work there. It is there. Okay. Okay, so we shall put it there. Okay. Someone is saying, how would we send the work? You send the work through Google Classrooms. You can get into our WhatsApp groups and ask more. Okay, you can also join with the code or the codes we shared them in our WhatsApp group. How do we send work for marking? You can send the work to Google Classroom and we shall mark it. Get in touch to, okay, can we get the WhatsApp number? Oh, the WhatsApp numbers. Get to register yourself. You'll be added into the WhatsApp group. I'm asking if my admin is here, you share the WhatsApp link, which joins them to the WhatsApp group. Okay, so class, we are going to end our lesson here. And I thank you for attending. Bye-bye. God bless you. But let's have someone to give us a prayer. Fidel and Denzo, are you there?
Excuse
Fidel?
me.
Yes, please.
Maybe you can have the admin walk them through the process of getting into the Google Classroom to get the notes.
Okay.
Maybe like in 2-3 minutes.
Okay, thank you very much. Denzo, are you there? Fidel and Denzo, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
You are going to give us a prayer, but first hold on. First hold on. First hold on, class. Now, okay. My admin, can you hear me? Mr. Mayu?
Yes, Mr. Didas. Yes,
Okay.
Mr. Didas, I can hear you.
We have at least
So-
2-3 minutes to take them through Google Classroom. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Didas, and my super admin, Mr. Dennis, for giving me this chance to talk to our learners and the parents at large. So our learners, we are using Google Classroom in particular for receiving our notes, and maybe when you want to submit in our assignments or the activities they have given us, we shall be using the Google Classroom. Now, when you're using a smartphone, it's better you go to your Play Store on your smartphone, and then you download Google Classroom. After downloading Google Classroom, you will click in as it is opening. It will request you to join a class. I'll be sending it will request you to join the class, but using the class code. So I'll be sending you the class code in our WhatsApp group. And then if you're using a laptop, you go and open up your Gmail account. So as you open up your Gmail account, you go where you see the apps. After going where you see the apps, you will click on
Michael.
Can I share the screen?
Yes, I would request
No.
you share the screen so they see.
Okay, let me try to share the screen. Just a moment as I put in this. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. I'm sharing the screen. So can everyone see my screen? Let me get some answer. You
Yes,
can
yes,
unmute
we can see.
yourselves. Okay.
We can see.
So as soon as you enter here, when you open up your Google or your browser, it will display something of this kind. If it doesn't display something of this kind, you have to log in into your Gmail account. Right now, if I'm a learner, I'll log in into my account.
It has been writing the answers.
Just I'm sharing the, let me share again. Let me share again. So I'll log in into my account, which is the Gmail, and then I'll go up here under apps. Sorry. Let me do this here again. So I'll log in into my account. That's the Gmail account. Okay, like that. And then I'll click here under all apps. And then you have to go and look for the, you can see the classroom, and then you click. So as you are clicking, you get a display of this kind. But now for you, you may not have any class here, but for me, I've already logged in into a lot of classes. So if you want to join, are you not seeing my screen?
Yes. Yeah.
You are not seeing it? Mr. Dennis, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Finished.
Okay. Then you have to go on the plus sign here, and then you click. Click on the plus. When you click on the plus sign, you will say join. So as you join, down here they will tell you class code. under the class code, you need to type in the code for that class. So when you type in the class for the code for that class, for example, P2, I'll type in F LELWG. So once I do that, you'll find here the join. So in the join, you have to click. So as you are clicking, you will be beginning. So you can join from here because I'm already in the P2 class. If I'm not there, if I join, it will allow me to join the P2 class. So that's how we are going to be doing. You are asking for the link?
Yes, for the link.
Let us get the link in our WhatsApp group. We are going to send you the link in the WhatsApp group, okay?
Hello, Mr. Michael.
Mr. Didas,
Can you hear me?
I'm requesting you take up the floor, and then I'll start this the WhatsApp group.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can you hear me, please, Mr. Michael?
Yes.
Okay, now class. I think we have a challenge. Some parents are not in WhatsApp. That's the first challenge. However, learners, they don't send the work in WhatsApp groups.
Okay.
Okay, so those ones who are in WhatsApp group, get in touch with my admin. Maybe Mr. Michael, you can leave the number, they get in touch with you and you add them in the WhatsApp group.
Teacher?
Yes, please.
Can you say our prayer?
Yes, you said the prayer.
Oh God.
Oh God,
Thank you for this opportunity.
We thank you for this opportunity.
We thank you for the teachers.
we thank you for the teachers.
We thank you for the edified
We
which
thank
has allowed us to attend lessons.
We thank you for the edifice which you are allowed to take us lessons.
Bless everyone.
Bless everyone.
Protect everyone from COVID.
Protect everyone from COVID.
We thank you so much, God,
We thank you so much, God,
because you're wonderful.
because you're wonderful, God.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Bye, Teacher Didas.
Bye, Teacher Didas.
Bye, everyone. We meet again. Thank you.
Good.
That's fine.